Good morning all students. Today I will continue chapter 3rd, Material in Daily Life. And the topic I will explain, plastics and environments. As you know, plastics is very harmful. Excessive use of plastic is very harmful to us because excessive use of plastic lead to certain environmental problems. And this is becoming also a global concern. Now, as you know, there are two types of plastics. There are two types of things. One is biodegradable and second is non-biodegradable. Now, what is biodegradable? The material which gets decomposed easily by the activity of microbes is called biodegradable, like as peels of vegetable, fruit, etc., which is decomposed by the activity of microbes and which is mixed into soil. Then non-biodegradable. The material which cannot be decomposed by microbes is called non-biodegradable, like plastics, metals, glass, etc. Almost all the plastics which we use are non-biodegradable. So there are so many problems associated with the excessive use of plastics, like plastic material when thrown out destroy the natural beauty of the place. If plastic bag thrown, they choke the drains, which result in overflowing of waste water. If animals eat plastics material or a plastic polythenes where having a food left over the food, then result in their death. Uses of recycled plastic bags to keep food items is harmful for health. Burning of plastic release poisonous gas, which is mixed in the atmosphere and causing air pollution. It reduces the percolation of water into the soil, which prevent replenishment of groundwater. Dumping of plastic goods in water bodies, they are having a threat to aquatic life. Aquatic animals are dead due to the dumping of plastic goods into water bodies, which is very toxic. Now, the plastic causes soil pollution and affects fertility of soil. Now, the next topic, measures to tackle plastic pollution or the conservation action by which we can reduce plastic pollution. Now, the environmental problems caused by plastics, and the pupils are advised to use following method by which we can prevent health problems by the plastic uses or the plastic materials. First, reduce your dependence on plastic bags, another item made of plastics. We reduce the plastic material which are made up of plastic. Carry your own cloth bag or a jute bag for shopping. Never burn plastic bags or other plastic item in the open. Don't throw plastic bags here and there after use. Keep separate garbage bin in your home for biodegradable things or non-biodegradable things. Recycle thermoplastic goods for reuse. Use biodegradable plastic instead of non-biodegradable plastic. Follow the 4R principles of reuse, reduce, recycle and recover to minimize environmental problem.